here with me Mr. Desai from Abhyuday Product. They have so much of expertise concerning drones, right from agri drones to defense drones, and even getting into the drone taxi space. Lovely technology, right from the R&D to manufacturing. They do just about everything, including integrating blockchain technology into drones. So please, we're so interested in knowing what all you guys do. I'm sure you can't talk about the defense drones because that is top secret. But apart from that, what can you share with us and our viewers on what's in drones?
Yeah. So currently we are developing so many drones to 10 kg payload to 150 kg payload drone. So
range.
yeah. So basically we are also in agriculture drone and we are also in defense drone. You can see the unmanned helicopter. This AVH 500 is our star product, in which its main specialty is that this can carry up to 500 kg MTOW maximum takeoff weight and 200 kg payload capacity. So basically this drone is used for logistic cargo and surveillance also, and for medical purposes also, so organ transfer, or there's a rescue one person also. So in Indian Army there are a Siachen post, so this post goes up to 500 meter, 700 meter post. So if there are so many problems to logistic issue in this point, so this helicopter is also useful in this field also.
Have you already started manufacturing these units?
No, basically this is R&D product, and we already give NCNC demo to Indian Army, and we are now planning to give demo in Leh Ladakh. So after finalize all this product, we can take trials and give to them.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
What about the agri drones that you mentioned? Are they already currently being used?
Yes, AgriDrone is currently in service in our drone. So we are giving prescribed control farming to farmers, and if they are using our technology and they are going absorb organic farming, then we also we offer them to buy back all the veggies and fruits also.
Wow, so it's an entire ecosystem
Yeah,
where the
yeah.
farmer does not have
So
any benefits. to
yeah,
it.
so we developed these AgriDrone service for buyback policy also. So if any farmer or any society are using our services, then we offer them to buy back all your veggies, and we give them 10% increase rate in market rate.
10% increase from the market
rate, yeah.
How do you all manage doing that?
Because we are so many tie-ups in agri, we are in food processing companies.
Another vertical
Yeah,
of yours?
yeah. So our other vertical is in food. So we are developing also food cluster. We are developed so many frozen store, cold chain processes, and we also tie up so many companies.
That's
So
a very broad range of things
yeah,
all are into,
yeah.
which is why you all can manage everything under one
Yeah,
umbrella. Costly becomes a whole lot easier, I guess. That's nice. So, what about the drone taxis? That is something that is very interesting to us.
No, now we are planning to make air taxi, which is a hybrid model. It's not electric. This all taxis are electric, but we are making a hybrid taxi. Currently, we are in the developing stage. So next 8 or 10 months, we give first prototype development and give demo to DGCA.
That's nice. So, within this, the next financial year
Yeah.
should be.
Yeah,
That's
for
nice.
sure.
So, we talk about drone taxis. Are you able to tell me at this point how many passengers, what would be the seating capacity?
Yes, there are 3 passengers plus 1 pilot, and around 500 kg payload capacity. So 3 passenger plus luggage and 1 pilot.
That's a lot because I think most civil aviation, most aircrafts consider passenger as 75 kgs on average.
Yeah.
So 500 payload capacity is a lot, more than enough for a lot of luggage also.
Yeah. So this air taxi or eVTOL we can also use for logistic also. And one thing is that we use hybrid, not electric. And this is we included this product in advanced air mobility solution. So this not common to helicopter or not on drones, but in advanced air mobility solution.
So when you said hybrid, what are the modes or what are the sources of power that you use
of electric generator plus battery backup. So it's called hybrid.
So it automatically switches between, or you have to
Yeah.
choose.
So IC engine produce power and electric generator are working. So with the help of electric generator, this two-axial rotor are working. There are two electric ducted fan. With the help of this ducted fan, the air taxi speed is high and 280 km/h. Like that.
So will you all be, once you all start with the air taxis, will you all be looking for certain partners to tie up with, or you all will be the service providers
No,
yourselves, operator?
so for development purpose, we already tie up with one company for design purpose. And our next model is that once we develop the air taxi, then we give this model to third party, or we already give service only.
Okay, I understand. So you all are doing the R&D, you all are manufacturing the product, but the end customer, the end user could be someone else,
Yeah.
another operator
Yeah,
altogether.
yeah.
That's lovely. That's lovely. Pretty cool concepts, and it was lovely talking to Mr. Desai, because we've seen a lot of companies today, a lot of drone manufacturers, a lot of e-vehicles, but nobody is into so many diversification, right? From agriculture, food, defense,